doubt as a lesson. I never second guess it. Take negativity and reject it. Depressants, I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best. I don't ever doubt myself. I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell, so watch me.
Let's do it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. And yes, today's video is going to be a really fun video. This is going to be a makeup tutorial, and not just any makeup tutorial. It is going to be an anti-Valentine makeup tutorial. Did I say it correctly? Yes. Anti-Valentine makeup tutorial. So let's do it. So I came across this concept a few days back. I was going through YouTube and I found a lot of videos on this topic, and the topic sort of really interested me a lot, because being a single woman, I could compare myself and totally relate myself to this. So this makeup tutorial is going to be all against the Valentine's makeup tutorial. I personally feel that Valentine's Day is a day to celebrate love, and love cannot be defined in one way. It is present in every different way in your life. I feel that in today's life, our society defines us a lot based on our relationship status, especially when you reach to a certain age, and I feel that is totally wrong, because you are an individual person, you are awesome in yourself, and you should love yourself in the way you are. Like being in a relationship or being single do not really play any role defining the fact whether you are successful or whether you are a failure in life. Do not be in a relationship just because people are telling you it is the right time to do it, or because they are telling you you are not good enough so you cannot find someone right for you. Please do not feel down listening to such crap. I think this doesn't make any sense. You are awesome in your way, and you should love yourself in the way you are. So today's video is going to be for all those single people out there. Loving yourself is the most important thing to do, and you should always do that, whether anybody say what, I don't care. That is what the idea of the video is. As you guys know, I love makeup, and yes, you should always love yourself first to love somebody else as well. So we are going to celebrate our own way by doing this beautiful, dark, bold, deep makeup look. As you can see, it's a very beautiful smoky cut crease gold eye and a beautiful deep lips. Of course, you can change the colors around. You can go for a nude lips and wear this look perfectly. Without me rambling any further, let me grab my tea and let's move on to the tutorial. So since today we are going to go all down with makeup, first I'm going to start off with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I will start applying the concealer underneath my brow and pretty much all over the area on my eyelid. As you can see, I've also used a tape at the corner so that my eyeshadow shape is more defined today. Today I will do my eye makeup first, so I will start off with this Colorpop palette, Yes Please, and I will take that coral shade and I will start applying the color on the outer V corner to the intersection of the eye in soft swiping motion. Done, I will just go ahead and use that deeper plummish red color from the palette, and I will use that color on the outer V area to deepen up that area a bit more to build up the intensity. Then I will take this beautiful Colorpop mono eyeshadow in the shade DGAF. It is one of my favorite plum eyeshadow. It is such a pretty color, and I will start applying the color using a pencil brush on the outer V side as well, you can see, and I will slowly feather out the color inward. This will just help me to come out with that deeper crease which you can see in the look. Taking a bit of matte black shade, I am further intensifying my crease. Be a bit careful when you do this makeup tutorial, because we are using a lot of deep colors, so use a little at a time, otherwise it could mess up. Now using the Fit Me concealer on a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm just cutting my crease halfway. I want a very sharp cut today, therefore I'm using a brush, because only brush can help you to achieve that look. So first for the base, I'll be using that gold shade from the Yes Please palette, and I will tap it on all over the area where I've applied the concealer. This will just give me a better base for the glitter, so that when I apply the glitters on top, it is much more refined. Now I'm using the NYKAA glitter primer on my lid. A lot of you guys ask me how to last your glitter longer. I will suggest you to use a glitter primer. The NYKAA one is highly recommended. You require a small amount, but it makes sure that your glitter do not fall off with time. Now using a flat brush, I will slowly pat the glitter onto the area where I applied the gold eyeshadow. Just going to blend that edge a bit because you want the crease line to be diffused, not extremely out of place. So taking a bit of that reddish color from the Colorpop palette, I'm just creating a sort of effect. Now blending the outer V with the glitter now using that same plumish color. And now for the face, first I'll use this Coloressence primer because of course you want to last your makeup long, so yes, silicone primer work best. Then I'll use my Loreal Infallible foundation because I really want a very good coverage, and this foundation is amazing in terms of coverage and lasting power. I will be a bit careful when you work around the area around your eyes. You don't want to mess the shape of the eyeshadow. Then I'll use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer as it is my favorite concealer, and I will use it under my eye to highlight and conceal. Then using the Miss Claire translucent powder in the shade TL4, I will bake the face because it will just highlight the area under my eye, which is very essential since I'm wearing a lot of dark color. Without proper highlight, the under eye area will look dark, which will not. In my PAC eyebrow kit, I will just go ahead and fill up my brow. In the meantime, the baking is getting processed because it does take 2 to 3 minutes, and I do take a bit of time to work on my brows because brows are the most important part of your face. Using my NYKAA blackout liquid liner, I'm drawing a wing liner along the shape of the eyeshadow I created. Now using a matte black shade, I'm just applying it at the corner of the eye first as a continuation from the wing, and then using a matte brown shade from the same Yes Please palette, I'm smoking out the color on the lower eyelid further. Then taking the gold shade in the front section of the eye and spreading it a bit towards the nose, as you can see. Then taking a coppery shade from the palette, I'm just applying it after the brown to give it the plumish effect which I have on the lid. Yes, I'll be using the Freedom Contour Kit because I want a really nice chiseled up cheekbone. So I'm just applying it on the hollows of my cheek using my contour brush. And I will take the color a bit upward so that it looks like a smooth transition. I will use this Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Hot. It's a very beautiful pink blush, and I will apply the color just on the top of the area where I applied the contour. You can see on the apple of my cheek. The highlighter, I'm using my Merry Loumanizer today because it will give me the bling on look which I want to go for. We are almost done. So for the lips, I'll be first using this PAC Retro Matte Gloss in shade number 20. I'll just apply the color on all over my lips, and once done, I will just take my Wet n Wild makeup fixer and spritz it on all over my face to fix the makeup. And yes, the look is all done. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure that you hit the like button. Of course, I'm gonna come up with my Valentine's Day look as well, so stay tuned for that. Because lastly, love yourself and keep doing what makes you happy. Take care. Bye.